sidibene ngoSinoke namhlanje because ngifuna ukuyibuza uba kwenzeka ntoni nje ngoba like andiyazi ndiva ukuthi ngoku uzawutshata i-virgin, so ndifuna ubuza uba kwenzeka ntoni.
Uyibuza uMpumelelo noma uyibuza kuthini?
Ndibuza kuno bathathu andithi uyithethe ehleli nani.
uMpumelelo ebehleli nabo. His father was advising him of ungathatha umfazi onje, ungathatha umfazi onje onje onje. And then I was also shocked at the part where he said we as assessor.
Ngiyahamba le ndlela nabo labantu kodwa ngiyasesa impela.
What do you mean we as assessor? I've been with you for like 4 or 5 years now. I'll respect andiboni mos.
Ngase ngiphenduke ngenyani ngoba yiqaka kanjani.
Wena uke wakhuluma naye uMpumelelo mhlambe after sozwe lonto izwile.
Nina ngithumela text nathi hayi wena uyayazi phofu into bana since when udecide ukwenza lonto leyo ungayenza ke mina ndiyaphuma. Ngoba kaloku anova into enjalo eTV-ni ni country yonke. Basically ndishoke nje with the country ba heyibo into engaka sisigaxa kaloku esi. I feel like maybe lento ndiyayazi personally. I explain about why izinto zawutshintsha. I don't even know nothing ingaske unexplain lonto leyo ba why kunje.
Lento lena ihambisana nalesisho lesisithi wabuza ibhasi libhaliwe ngoba uyazi ukuthi vele hayi bandle ngeke ngikwazi ukufolosa ngaye.